I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to send money using Mon Finance, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Mon Finance app. Launch the Mon Finance app on your smartphone or access the website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once you're in the app, look for the transfer option in the menu. This is usually located at the bottom of the screen or in the main menu. Step 3. Select Send Money. In the transfer section, choose the option to send money. You may need to specify whether you are sending to another Mon user or an external bank account. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Input the recipient's information, including their email address or bank account details if sending externally. Double check for typos to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Step 5. Confirm and send. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Sending money on Mon Finance can be straightforward once you know the steps. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team. Happy transferring!